Hello guys, today I want to show you how to check in wizzair, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open wizzair in your browser and click on Help Center, the top bar. And here you will find all the options. Click on Check-in and Boarding and choose, for example, Check-in. So here you'll find several types of check-in if it's online, free or mobile app check-in. For the online check-in, print your own boarding card and available business IFC selection up to 3 hours before departure. For the mobile app, use your mobile boarding pass instead of a boarding card and click here to download the boarding app. Check in, and you can check in also on the airport. Receive boarding card on the airport. Ship if processed in advance. So this is how to check in and in weather. You can also choose to boarding and click on boarding card issues to claim boarding card issues or the boarding process. So here is the boarding process full guide. So you need to arrive at the boarding gate, access the get information and provide your documents, so reporting card and double documents you did during checking and security control. So this is how to check in and boarding in Wizard step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.